Hi Ray, looking at the demo map, I can see that some functionality has been added, which is great. I'll just go through the functionality now and we'll talk about revisions that need to be incorporated to get it to work 100%. So to start with, if I'm to click on zoom out, it goes to level 0, which is great. Click on zoom in, it goes to level 4, fantastic. Clicking on zoom in again, and nothing seems to happen. It doesn't go to the next level. The next level should be for any region marker. Just keep coming in where the satellites turn up. So at this level, that's where it should be, with the region marker centered if the zoom in was selected at the higher level up. So that change needs to be incorporated. Now if I click on zoom in on here, has no effect, which is the way it should be, being the region marker, but if the satellite markers are clicked on, it goes to zoom level 17, which is great. So that's very good. So that's all the zoom level ins taken care of. Now zooming out, I can see that it goes to that level, which is really good. And zooming out there has no effect, which is the way I want it. Zoom out. This goes to level, is going to level 0. It needs to go to level 4 first. So this level is where it needs to go to. Actually, I've changed my mind with this, just looking at it now and using it. With a satellite marker at its visibility level, if zoom out is clicked, currently nothing happens, and if zoom out is clicked on the region marker, it will zoom out. Can we change that so that zoom out at this level has the same effect as the zoom out of the region marker? So if the satellite marker is clicked, it goes to, well, not this level, it goes to that level there, as discussed previously. That's all the changes for that at the moment. Thank you so much, Ray. Excellent job. Thank you.